Hey, it's Fran, and this is another Frantoku Not a Demo. So, Kamen Rider Gab is officially ended, and today I'm going to have my thoughts of the series. But first, let's recap all the happenings. So, Shoma and Lango face for the last time, and just like every action tropes, they have a chit chat about their bitter rivalry from robbing the humans' happiness to how horrible their father is, until Lango dropped a bomb by saying that he is behind the death of their father, also stated by Shoma that they are both victims of their grandfather and father, but is blocking them for seeking happiness, which makes Lango pissed, adding that there are differences between the humans and the Granuts. Then their battle begins. Same goes to Hanto facing off with Jeep and Lisel, blasting off words and hard feelings, even added by Hanto that they bring their asses back to the Granite world to escalate the situation, but their bot insists. Lisel wants to avenge her papa, and same goes to Jeep. Then their scuffle begins. Lakia, meantime, having a hard time on battling the remaining agents, making sure that Hanto is out of the Granite world, alongside with depressed humans. But he made an ultimate decision on to left behind and destroying all the doors, which led to the destruction of the door space as he plummets. Also forced Pudding and Jelly back to the human world. Sachika and Masaru, meanwhile, accomplished their mission to save the people from getting abducted, instructed to Shoma, still not believing that Shoma is a Kamen Rider until Masaru found his notes of sweets. As if flipping through the pages, he stumbled the word "Mom is right," which surprised him because Shoma mentioned to him that he lost a mother, and also to the surprise of Sachika. As a similarity to his missing sister of Fondo Sweets, he asked Chica if she knows his mom's name, and which she didn't answer. The battle became more intense as Gav used all of his forms and Lango even grew wings. Same goes to Valen as it turns into a one-on-two fight until it reached the point on putting the final blow on the cell just to be blocked by Jeep. In other words, he take the bullet from her, the same what his twin did to him. Shita's vision appears to him mentioning on what he did until the twins reunite in the afterlife, leaving the spoiled brat Lizelle all along. So, Hanta finally ends his story by taking the Grenouille's loved one the same way they take his, but his might the trigger of another tragic cycle of revenge. Then the Gav and Lango battle reached its climax in the same fashion of every Kamen Rider. The bad guy will be defeated by the base form. Lango turned into a pile of feathers. Upon defeating him, Shoma leaves a packet of popping gummies as a due. Then 3 months later, also known as the epilogue, follows that Shoma is still lives and works at the Happy Pare with Shachika, and also taking a baking Amy it to use it to create light snacks and even creates a new gochiso. He still hangs out with Masaru. They might be close, but they don't address each other as uncle and nephew, but they're implied to be aware of the connection so they don't dig up old wounds. Hanto, still a journalist, is currently writing and publishing articles about the Granules and the Dark Snacks fiasco, which attracts the attention of a former part-timer. Lisel, widowed and stranded in the human world. And lastly, Rakia, which is still alive and kicking in the Granute world with Pudinte, and also finds out that the new president has been elected. When Shoma is about to return to Happy Party, he bumped out into a new guy. You know what I'm talking about. Then gave a Zet's Gochiso and being zapped by all the things a UFO. So finds out that they still have part-timers stranded in the human world due to the destruction of their space, and Shoma wants to send happiness. Until then, he rides through the sunset. So it ends well, that ends well. And here are my final thoughts of the series. It is good, probably the most enjoyable Reiwa Rider series of so far, with the heartwarming writings and great character development, which goes to Valen and Ram. But kind of disappointed when it comes to the villains department, especially Suga and Boka, which defeated easily, and same goes to Lango, which is the weakest last boss. But overall, is it nice one? Hoping to continue and this at least this to be have more stuff. So then after that we're going to wait for the new series. So that's it. That's it for now. And until the next time, ciao.